Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about alphabet. So, using a string of alphabet letters, you can directly define a string of the alphabet using the characters A to Z for lowercase or A to Z for uppercase. Here we have some examples. A equal to welcome. So, and B equal to welcome 1 to 3, C equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, D equal to welcome, E equal to inside double quotation marks blank space here, and F equal to welcome 1 to 3. Here we have also blank space in between welcome 1 to 3, and G equal to 3.345. So here A equal to welcome inside double quotation marks all the letters in small formats. So when I type here print A dot is alpha, so it give us true value because here we have all the letters in small formats. And B equal to welcome 1 to 3, when I type here B is alpha, then it give us false value because here we have capital small numbers, so it give us false value. And C equal to 1 2 3 4 5, when I type here C print C dot is alpha, then it give us false value because here we have numbers. The next example is D equal to welcome. So welcome is in upper format, so it give us true value. And then when I type here print D dot is alpha, it give us true value. And E equal to inside double quotation marks, here we have blank space, and when I type here print E dot is alpha, then it give us false value. And the next is F equal to welcome 1 to 3. Here we have blank space in between 1 to 3. It also give us false value. And because here we have numbers, here we have blank space, here we have small and lowercase and uppercase. If the value is in small format or in lower format, then it give us true value. So the answer is false. So the F statement, it gave us false value. And G equal to 3.345, it also give us false value. When I type here print G dot is alpha, it give us false value. So let's go to PyCharm. So the first example is A equal to inside double quotation marks welcome. When I type here print A dot is alpha, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer true. The next example is B. The next example is B equal to welcome 1 2 3. When I type here print B dot is alpha, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer false. The next example is C equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. When I type here print C dot is alpha, and when I hit on run code, then I got the answer false. And the next example is D equal to inside double quotation marks welcome. When I type here print D dot is alpha, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer true. And the next example is E equal to inside double quotation marks we have gap here. So after type here print E dot is alpha. When I hit on run code, then I got the answer false. And the next example is F equal to welcome 1 2 3. When I type here print F dot is alpha, when I hit on run code, then I got the answer false. And the last example is G equal to 3.345. Then print G dot is alpha. When I hit on run code, then I got the answer false. So here we have some examples here. So thank you so much for watching this video and follow for more.